The world ocean is a body of salt water that surrounds the continents, and essentially it is the totality of all the oceans and seas. It covers 71%, about 361 million square kilometers, of the Earth's surface. Oceans are vast, deep bodies of salt water with a relatively constant salt content and with their own basins and systems of currents. The Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans are all regarded as oceans, as well as the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. Seas are smaller bodies of salt water close to land. They are separated from the oceans by islands, peninsulas, and straits. They do not have their own system of currents, and their salt content varies. Seas can be further divided into marginal seas and Mediterranean seas. A Mediterranean sea is connected to the ocean basin only by a narrow strait. It has its own basin and water balance. Examples of a Mediterranean sea include the namesake Mediterranean Sea and the Baltic Sea. A marginal sea is only separated from an ocean by archipelagos. Compared to a Mediterranean Sea, it does not usually have its own basin or water balance, and it is shallower. The Sea of Japan is an example of a marginal sea. A bay is a body of water connected to a lake, sea, or ocean, extending more or less into the landmass and enclosed by land from three directions. Examples of a bay include the Persian Gulf and the Bay of Bengal. The world ocean is not evenly distributed on the Earth's surface. 70% of the northern hemisphere is covered with land, and only 30% is covered with ocean or sea. However, in the southern hemisphere, it is the other way around. 70% is covered with ocean or sea, and only 30% is covered with land.